Welcome, Generation Healthy. It's moving time! This is a great time to add physical activity to your day. In today's activity, we're going to choose our favorite foods. You will have 10 seconds to make a choice and 20 seconds to do the matching exercise. Which one would you choose? Pizza, salad, or hamburger? If you chose pizza, run in place. If you chose a salad, hop on one foot. If you chose a hamburger, do the wave. Would you choose French fries, broccoli and cheese, or chicken nuggets? If you chose French fries, do squats. If you chose broccoli and cheese, shadow box. If you chose chicken nuggets, do butterfly arms. Which one would you choose? A fruit bowl, scrambled eggs, or pancakes? If you chose a fruit bowl, skip in place. If you chose scrambled eggs, do arm circles. If you chose pancakes, do some twisting jumps. Would you choose chicken wings, spaghetti, or a sub sandwich? If you chose chicken wings, do the trumpet. If you chose spaghetti, do the robot. If you chose a sub sandwich, march in place. Which one would you choose? Macaroni and cheese, a hot dog, or tacos? If you chose macaroni and cheese, do a tree pose. If you chose a hot dog, do jumping jacks. If you chose tacos, do side hops. Would you choose shrimp, rice, or tater tots? If you chose shrimp, do ski jumps. If you chose rice, do the running man. If you chose tater tots, do the speed bag.
Scooby snack.
Good job, everybody! Thank you for exercising with us today. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or requests, message us at Generation Healthy 21 on Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.